Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In that video, we will be discussed about I Love PDF file. What is I Love PDF and how we can be use it. Complete information about that given in that video. So guys, don't skip any video. Don't skip that video for any second. So guys, first of all, we have to discuss about I Love video. And I want to say some information. I want to tell you about I Love PDF file. Oh guys, in that video we will be discussed about I Love PDF. So first of all we have to go on ChatGPT and search and we can be search here about I Love PDF file. What is I Love PDF file and how we can be see that. Okay guys, so first of all we have to write here and search here ChatGPT. As we go here ChatGPT and now we have to see that and right here what is I Love PDF? I hope it will give us answer. It says that as of my last update in September 2021, I Love PDF is an online platform that provides a suite of tools for working with PDF documents. It offers various features to perform different tasks related to PDF files such as merging, splitting, compressing, converting to other formats, adding watermarks and more. The platform is accessible through a web browser and user and can utilize many of its basic features for free. However, there may be certain limitations and premium features that require a subscription. Okay guys, I hope you like this. Okay guys, now we have to see that the platform is accessible through a web browser and user can be utilized many of its basic features for free. However, there may be certain limitations and premium features that require a subscription or one-time payment. Please note the information provided is basic. So guys, now we have to go on our any Google Chrome browser, any browser. Now we have to search here I Love PDF. As we write here I Love PDF, then we have to see that the first website which is I Love PDF, and here you can see that there are different tools available. By using first tool we can be merge our different PDFs into a one PDF. By using that tool we can be separate our PDF into two or more different parts of PDF. Okay guys, so next tool using by that tool we can be compress our PDF. By using that tool we can be convert our PDF file into Word file, and next one tool is used to convert PDF file into PowerPoint file, and by using that tool we can be convert our PDF file into Excel file. So guys, now I hope you will all understand, and by using that tool we can be convert our Word file into PDF file. By using that tool we can be convert our PowerPoint file into PDF file. By using that tool we can be convert our Excel file into PDF file. By using that tool we can edit our PDF. By using that tool we can be convert our PDF file into JPG, and by using that tool we can be convert our JPG into PDF file. Here is a signed PDF and watermark also available. Here is by using that tool we can take our PDF files into different. Here are different tools available. By using that tool we can be convert our different PDF files into other files or document files. Here is also available HTML to PDF. If we have a HTML code of PDF files, then we have to convert them into PDF file by using that tool. Here is we can also be unlock our PDF files, and also we can protect our PDF files. If we want to organize our PDF files, then we have to use that tool, and here is also we can convert PDF file into PDF.a, and we can also be repair our PDF files. Page numbers also be counted by page numbers also be scan PDF and QR codes. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new upcoming videos.